Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about 2D scatter plot and linear relationship between numerical variables. Basically, relationship between numerical variables is the main point of regression analysis that usually check through a scatter plot. In 2D scatter plot, we use two different data sets with two numeric variables. At the end, we will see if there is a linear relationship between variables. Let's write our first dataset code. Data1x equal np.random.rand. I want to choose 150 and then data1y equal data1x plus 0.1 multiplication np.random $150, and after one space we have fig x equal plt.subplots after one space x dot scatter data1 x data1 y, and then for the title we can say x.set title scatter plot and then x.set x label and finally x.set y label. Okay, let's run the code. It shows that there is a strong linear relationship between x and y. Okay, let's write our final code. Data2x equal np.random.rand 150 data2y equal data2x plus 2 multiplication np.random.randn 150, and then we have one space fig x equal plt.subplots and after one space x dot scatter data2x and data to y, and after that x dot set title scatter plot, and then x dot set is label, and finally x dot set y label. Okay, let's run our final code. As you can see, there is no linear relationship between x and y. In fact, we changed the number in data to y from 0.1 to 2, which made our plot so different. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video about 2D scatter plot and linear relationship between x and y was useful for you, and see you soon.